Hi guys, today we are talking all about your schedule and how to streamline it and get it a little less chaotic. Stay tuned. My name is Dana L'Oreal Morales. I'm the owner of the Happiness Bucket, where I educate you to organize your space, life, soul, and business. And today we are covering all four of our buckets because we are talking about scheduling. Scheduling is so important. It is the number one area of chaos in most of your lives. Now, here's the deal. A lot of times I find that people are keeping separate calendars based on what they're doing or what area of their life they're in. They have their personal calendar and they have their business calendar, and maybe they have a family calendar on top of that. So there's two different ways that I recommend that you keep your calendar. One is that you just keep one calendar and everything is placed on that calendar. Or two, you have all of your separate calendars feeding into one. Now, there are pros and cons of both processes, but ultimately what you want to be able to do is to see everything you have going on at a glance. You are a holistic being, okay? You are one person and you have a lot going on. And so that's where holistic organizing comes about. You want to make sure that you're seeing the big picture and that you're not planning based on one side of the picture instead of everything that's in the picture, right? So that's like taking this section, this section of this video and planning based on that and not considering the other part of it, okay? So you want to make sure that when you are scheduling out that you are seeing everything. And this is where this is going to help get your life a little more streamlined and a little more organized. So let's take, for example, you have been really busy at work and you have a lot of things already on your calendar. And let's say that someone asked you from your personal world if you can do XYZ on Friday night. Well, in general, you may say, yeah, I can do that after work sometime on Friday night. But when you go to your calendar and you start looking at the fact that Monday through Friday, you are swamped at work, the question that you can begin to ask yourself is, am I really going to feel like going out on Friday night? I think I'm going to be exhausted. So maybe we can shift our outing to another day. Or maybe you have been asked to participate in something from one of your organizations. And on the day that they're planning it, you realize that you have something else going on earlier in the day. And that's going to make it a little harder for you to commit to being at the secondary event at a specific time. By seeing everything that you have going on in one glance, it allows you to better navigate the things that you have and need to do. Now, when you include your family members in the things that you have going on, it gets even more chaotic. Your child has to go to practice A or practice B, or they have to be in this place at this time and it's not optional. That is also going to throw a wrench into your plan. And so you want to make sure that those things are blocked off on your calendar so that as you're scheduling other things for the month, that you do not accidentally double book yourself. This is what happens majority of the time, is that we don't have all of it in one place. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, definitely make sure you comment below. If you have questions, I would love to hear them in the comments below as well, and we can continue this conversation. If you like this video and would like to see more, definitely make sure that you're subscribing to the channel so that you are notified when additional content is posted. So until the next video, I want you to definitely stay happy and stay organized. Bye.